Chapter 18, Sharing Information. What are the different ways in which we share information? How do we talk to our relatives living at distant places? What are the benefits of mobile phones and internet? How do letters reach from one place to another? How do we say things without speaking? Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about information, how to share the information. Nowadays you people are know how we are sharing the information. You people are expert in that, isn't it? So what are the ways to share the information we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's start the chapter. It was lunchtime in school. All the friends of class 3 were sitting together having their lunch, as you can see in the picture here. Okay. Lara had brought cake for all of them. Today was her birthday. Guess who wished me first in the morning? She said. It was my Bua from America. Wow! A person sitting so far away wished you the first? Said Rohan, because he was surprised. It was her birthday. She told her Bua wished her first. And she stays in America. From America she has wished her. So Rohan was surprised. Yes, said Lara. While I was still sleeping, I heard the telephone bell ring on my bedside. I picked up the phone and Bua sang the happy birthday song for me. You all have mobile phone, no children? At your home, your parents are having mobile phones. This is nothing but it's a mobile phone. Nowadays, everyone is using mobile phone, no? So, Gita said, we talk to our grandparents in Chennai almost every day on Papa's mobile phone. Sometimes we also send messages or SMS, short message service, from the mobile. Now also in school, whichever means whenever we are sending you any message, you are getting those messages in your mobile, no children? It may be text message or it may be WhatsApp messages. If you are using WhatsApp, you will get in WhatsApp. If you are not using WhatsApp, so you will be getting the messages through SMS. SMS is nothing but short message service. Okay. So you can, whenever you will be feeling lonely or whenever you want to talk with your friends, if you are unable to talk, that time you can message with your friends. You can chat with your friends by texting them, isn't it? So for that SMS is useful. A grandma gives us many ideas to make things on the mobile phone, said Sita. My papa has gone to Dubai on business tour. I talk to him daily through the internet. In fact, I can also see him on the laptop, said Bunny. Nowadays, we know video call children, isn't it? Through video call, we can see them also. Using internet, you can talk also. If you have computer in your home, through internet, you can talk with your parents or whoever is there, your relatives. So, you can use internet. Through internet, you can talk with them as well as you can see them through video call. So, and one more thing here, do you know? Fax is a scanned copy of a text and image sent from one place to another through a telephone line. So, this is nothing but fax, children. So, scanned copy of text and image. It will be sent from one place to another through telephone line. Okay. Now, you are right, said Bani. Internet helps to send messages to any place in the world within seconds. We call it email. Email is nothing but electronic mail. You can send message also here, children. If you have computer, if you have internet connection, you can send mail. You can message. That is nothing but electronic mail. You can see here. This is nothing but email. We can also send pictures through it. See children, in your computer subject, In higher classes you will be learning about this in detail, how to send email, what is email, all this you will be learning in detail. Okay, these electronic means of communication, telephone, mobile phone and internet, are the modern means of communication. Earlier they were not having these all, children. Nowadays we are having. So these are the modern means of communication: telephone, mobile phone and internet. How were people communicating when there were no telephones or internet? Asked Sita. See, earlier children, they were not having mobile phone, internet and all that. Then how they were communicating? Let us find out. Letters, my dear, letters, said Clara. Have you never seen a postman delivering letters? Why not? I see him every day, said Sita. He delivered some official letters of Papa yesterday and I received them. Oh yes, the postman has to go places to collect letters and then deliver them, said Barney. Clara said, no my dear, it is not the work of one person. All the post offices in our country work together to make it possible. As you can see here children, this is postcard. Earlier they were using these cards to send messages, to communicate. Through this card only they were communicating. How? Asked Rohan. Let me tell you as my father told me, said Lara. First one, when you write a letter, you put it in a letter box. You have seen, no children, letter box? That will be in red color. Post box. A postman opens the letter box 2 times a day and takes out the letters. Third one, he takes them to the post office and stamps them. Here he will be stamping it. What he will do? He will receive the letters. He will open that box 2 times in a day. He will receive those letters and he will take those letters to post office and he stamps them. As you can see in the picture here, see. Next, letters are sorted according to the addresses. So according to the addresses, he will sort it out. See, he is doing here. At one area, whichever letters will be having, should be sent to same area, he will be separating them. See here. They are packed in bags and sent by postal vans to different places. See here. Okay. Some letters have to be carried to distant places by trains and aeroplanes. As you can see here, see. The letters are then again taken to the post offices of different cities and stamped here in this picture. The postman delivers the letters to our houses. When it will be reached to that particular city, then it will be sent to that respective address. See, so many procedures are there, so many works they are doing, all together they are doing, children. And that time it takes time, it consumes lot of time to reach that letter. It was not speed, children. It was not fastest means of communication. That was the drawback of that. Next, lunchtime was over and all the friends were still talking. Sita saw the teacher coming. She put her finger on the lips and made the sound shh. Everybody looked at her. Then she made a gesture to show that the teacher was coming. Everyone sat down in their places and the class started. Even in your class, you people were doing like that only, no children? Whenever teacher was coming, whenever teacher is near to the class, what will do? Someone will come and peep first. If anybody is coming or not. If teacher is coming, what you will do? Teacher is coming, teacher is coming. You will do some actions. Isn't it? So that is nothing but they are showing here. It's been explained here. How do we share our news, views and ideas? We share our news, views and ideas with others in 3 ways. Through gestures, means your body language. Using your parts of your body, you will be showing. That is nothing but gesture. Through verbal use of language, means by talking, by saying directly. Through written messages, pictures, symbols or languages. It can be anything, children. Using picture or symbols, you will be communicating. In next video, we will be learning about those means of communications. Okay, how we share our news, views and ideas through other ways. Okay.